Unlock the power of your WordPress site by building a robust member database essential for managing your community or subscriber base. First, let's outline what a member database is on WordPress. It's essentially a structured way to store and manage information about your users. Beyond just their basic login details, think of it as a personalized directory for your community, crucial for membership sites, exclusive content, or even just organizing your user list. To achieve this, we'll be leveraging the power of plugins. WordPress's strength lies in its extensibility, and there are excellent plugins designed specifically for creating and managing member databases. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the general principles applicable to most popular membership plugins. The first step is to install a suitable membership plugin. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, hover over Plugins in the left-hand menu, and click Add New. You'll then search for a highly rated membership plugin. There are many options available. Look for plugins with good reviews, regular updates, and features that align with your needs, such as custom field creation, user role management, and data export capabilities. Once you've found one, click Install Now, and then Activate. After activation, the plugin will introduce new menu items in your dashboard, often under a dedicated section like Members, Users, or the plugin's name. Within these settings, you'll find the tools to configure your member database. The core of building your database is defining what information you want to collect. Most plugins allow you to add custom fields. This goes beyond the standard WordPress username and email. You can add fields for things like phone numbers, addresses, company names, interests, or any other data relevant to your members. When a new member registers through your site's registration form, which the plugin usually helps create or customize, they will be prompted to fill in these custom fields. This information is then securely stored as part of their user profile within your WordPress database. Managing your database involves viewing, editing, and organizing this collected information. Your chosen plugin will typically provide an interface where you can see all your members listed. With their associated data displayed, you can often sort, filter, and search this list to find specific members quickly. Many plugins also offer the ability to export your member data. This is incredibly useful for backups, migrating to another system, or for using the data in other applications. Look for an export function, usually in CSV format. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized and efficient member database on your WordPress site, giving you greater control and insight into your user base.